Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about the basic concept of the lens. So a lens is a transparent refracting medium bounded by two spherical surfaces or one spherical and one plane surface. A lens has two focus and two center of curvatures. It means that a lens is made up of the two spherical surfaces, or it may be one spherical or one plane surface. So at least one spherical surface is required for the formation of the lens. A lens has two focus and two center of curvatures. Here, by taking an example, that is a convex lens and this is a concave lens. In case of the convex lens, I have assumed that this is a first surface or this is a second surface, and the focus length of the first spherical surface is f1 and the center of curvature of the first spherical surface is 2f1. Now for second spherical surface, f2 is the focal length and 2f2 is the center of curvatures. In case of the concave lens, here f1 is the first focus and f2 is the second focus. 2f1 is the first center of curvatures, 2f2 is the second center of curvature. So a lens has two spherical surface due to which it has two focus and two center of curvature. So we can say that a lens is a transparent refracting medium bounded by two spherical surfaces or one spherical and one plane surface, and a lens has two focus and two center of curvature. Here the types of the lenses. I am going to discuss about the types of the lenses. Types of lenses. Here, types of lenses. Now this is a first, this is a first type, that is a double convex or convex lens. This is a plano-convex lens. This is a concavo-convex lens, and this is a equiconvex lens. This is a equiconvex lens. So these lenses are the converging lenses. These are the converging lenses here. So here that is a first. This is a double convex lens or convex lens, simply you can say that. This is a plano-convex lens, or this is a concavo-convex lens, or this is a equiconvex lens here. Now, second, that is a double concave lens or concave lens, simply you can say that. This is a plano-convex lens. This one surface is plane, so it is called plano-convex lens. And this is a convexo-concave lens, or this is a equiconcave lens. Equiconcave lens. Equiconcave lens means they have equiconvex or equiconcave. It means that they have equal radius of curvatures. So here I have shown that the R1 and R2 are the radius of curvatures of the two spheres due to which the lens is formed. So the R1 is the first radius of curvature, R2 is the second radius of curvature. Here R1 and R2 are equal. So we can say that a lens formed by the two spherical surfaces having equal radius of curvature is known as equiconvex lens. And here that is in case of the concave lens, the R1 and R2 both are equal, or concave lens is formed. So it is known as the equiconcave lens. So in case of the double concave or double convex lens, R1 and R2 are not equal, but in case of the equiconcave lens, R1 and R2 are equal. So a lens having equal radius of curvatures are called equiconcave or equiconvex lens. So equiconcave or equiconvex means the radius of curvatures of the two spherical surfaces are equal here. So There are the 8 types of lenses. Here we have discussed. First is the double convex or simple convex lens, plano convex lens, concavo convex lens or equiconvex lens. These are the converging lenses. Now other types of lenses are double concave or simple concave lens, plano concave lens, convexo concave lens and the equiconcave lens. So there are 8 types of lenses we have discussed here. Now I am going to discuss about the terminology related to the lens. Terminology related to the lens here. I am going to discuss about the terminology related to the lens. First is that is an optical center. Terminology related to the lens. Terminology, terms related to lens. Terms related to lens. First is that is an optical center. That is an optical center. Optical center, it is the central point of a lens through which light ray passes undeviated. Optical center is the central point of the lens through which light ray passes undeviated. Here O is the optical center and x dash is the principal axis, and the light ray passing through the optical center, it will not deviate. So optical center is the central point of the lens through which light ray passes undeviated. So optical center is the central point of the lens through which light ray passes undeviated. Now second is the optical center. You can define optical center. Optical center is the central point. Is the central point of a lens through which light ray passes undeviated. Through which light ray passes undeviated. So optical center, this is the central point of a lens through which light ray passes undeviated. Now the second term is that is a principal focus. That is a principal focus. Principal focus. A lens has 2 focus. One of them, that is a principal focus. So principal focus is a point on the principal axis where parallel rays after refraction actually meets or appears to come from that point. So principal focus is a point on the principal axis where parallel rays after refraction actually meets or seems to come from that point. In case of the convex lens, parallel ray actually meet at point that is F2. So here F2 is the principal focus. In case of the convex lens, the parallel rays after refractions meet at point F2 or converges to point F2. That point is called the principal focus. So in case of convex lens, F2 is the principal focus. But in case of concave lens, it is a diverging lens and ray after refraction diverges. Extend it in the backward direction. Then the point where there appears to be, that point is called the principal focus. So in case of the concave lens, F1 is the principal focus. So principal focus is a point on the principal axis where parallel rays after refraction actually meets or seems to come from that point. Thank you.